Hello again, friends. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this 128 gigabyte voice activated recorder. And not only is it a recorder, it's also like a wireless charger for your phone. So yeah, you just set it there and charge up your phone. So that's pretty cool. I think it'll charge, I wonder if it'll charge my Samsung as well. So you have a pretty thick case on there. So that one's got a case on it as well. Yep, boom, charging. Wireless charging, 90%. So charges my Samsung there also. Okay, so there's the, I guess it's the volume, plus or minus. It's pretty loud. I was trying to just put it right next to my microphone, see if you guys can hear that. Once that's turned on, it should be recording. And you can just put it right up next to your phone too, and it's going to record that. So this is 1,500 hours, I think. Voice recording. I'm just going to try to relay this back. So you guys can see, it just records all that really nicely. So you could record a conversation, basically if you want, maybe if you're like a lawyer or something like that, or a private investigator, or maybe someone's making phone calls to you that you need a record of, then you could just definitely keep this handy and record that sound and be able to captivate it, whatever. So that's pretty cool.